Struggling with acne can be frustrating, but finding the right skincare routine can make all the difference. In this video, I'll share my journey and reveal 2 effective skincare routines that finally cleared my acne for good. Being free from acne is not a one-time success. It is a road trip. It is a journey. This is so because acne triggers such as genetics, pregnancy, puberty, and drugs may not be easily changed, so we need to incorporate these skincare routines in our daily care to ensure we have an acne-free skin. The first skincare routine is steaming. This is so because steaming is a non-chemical and physical form of declogging pores. These do not only reduce the formation of new comedones that can develop into blackheads or whiteheads, but also open up the pores to allow skincare products to penetrate the skin and have optimum effects on the skin. How to do facial steaming includes: Step 1. Boil clean water. Step 2. Pour into a bowl. Step 4. Put inside a skin. Step 5. Get cotton cloth for breathability purposes. Step 6. Set timer for 10 to 15 minutes and your face towards the skin, then cover yourself together with the sink with the cotton material. Once the timer rings, remove the cotton cover and pour the water into the skin. Then use clean cotton wool to clean the face in a circular motion. Afterward, apply your moisturizer or the acne treatment agent. Do this twice or 3 times per week. Body scrub. I will recommend the use of chemical scrubs for acne-prone skin because physical scrubs can aggravate the skin and cause new outbreaks. So go for a body scrub that contains salicylic acids 0.5% to 2% or lactic acids 3% to 7%. An example is I've salicylic acid body scrub 2%. Read instructions on how to use it written in the product container and follow through. Do these at least twice weekly or follow the instructions written on the product container. This is so because if we can prevent a new outbreak while letting the acne treatment products get to the skin, we will see faster and quicker results with our acne treatment products. Do these 2 routines for the next 2 weeks and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Here's to achieving clear, radiant skin together. Until next time, take care and stay confident.